Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to math class. It's Thursday. We're going to do, normally what we do is our exit ticket. We're going to start this with you and then have you finish it up, and we'll give you about 5 minutes to do that. So if you remember, we start off doing this 4 partial products over here, and then over here we do the 2 partial products method, okay? So biggest thing I wanted to understand here is when I'm doing my multiplication, is I want to start with this ones place right here, this guy. And I'd say 3 times 2 and 3 times 20, okay? Same thing happens over here, okay? So, and then I move on to my tens place here, and I do 4 times 2 and 4 times 20 on this, okay? And then down here is basically cutting out the 4 partial products and just doing 2 partial products, okay? So we're going to give you 5 minutes or so, and then to get this done, and then see how you did. So what we can do now is just pause and see you back here in 5 minutes. Teachers pause now. All right, there's your 5 minutes. Let's see how you did. So let's get this started here. All right. Okay, over here, we did 3 times 2 first to get 6. So this is that part right here. We got 3 times 2, that's 6. Then I did 3 times 20, which is 60. That's the next one I did. 3 times 20 is 60. Then I move over to my tens place here and do 40 times 2. So 40 times 2 is 80. And then I did 40 times 20, which is 800. I add them up. 6, 14, put the 4, carry the 1. 4 plus 8 is 9. Okay, over here, okay, I did, instead of splitting up the 22 here, I just left the 22 as it was. And we split up to 43. So I did 3 times 22 and 40 times 22. So here's my 3 times 22. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. That's 66. Then I come down to the next row, but I come over to the tens place. When I come over to the tens place to multiply, you can't forget about putting the 0 here. We've been calling that guy Bob. So 8, then I can treat all of these as ones. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. And add them up. I get 946, the same as it over here. Okay, and then here. Solve the following using 2 partial products. That's what we did. So this is 15 times 64. I'm starting to get used to how to do this. We always start with this bottom number and say 15 times 64. So I split that 15 up into a 10 and a 5, and it's multiplied by 64. So this is what it looks like, 5 times 64. So what I'm going to do is 5 times is 64. So 5 times 4 was 20. Put down the 0, carry the 2. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. Then I come over to the tens place. And when I do that, I must put that 0 here to hold that place. Call that guy Bob. Then I can treat the rest as ones. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 6 is 6. Add them up, I get 960. Okay, so today we're really going to focus on this part right here. All right, so hang tight. I'll be right back with the problem set. The I can statement.